Right, this week we've got something a bit different. I've come to give me mate a hand, and he wants some Sill stands putting on his rally car, which is a Subaru. So this is like land of the Subarus. You have a few Subarus in here, and we'll be working on that one tonight, putting the Sill stands on. So something a bit different for you, so I hope you like what you see.
I'm like this.
Look at my big fat head in the way.
Yeah. Hopefully that's come out the bottom of the car.
It's not all the way through yet.
No, another skin in there.
Almost there. Don't want that drill bit. Lovely.
We need 4 of them then, don't we? We're only doing the outside, I suppose.
Yeah. Do you want to look, John? Do you want to look? You happy with this? I don't know what goes. That's obviously door, but where's the wing? This is all exposed, isn't it? You can get to that, so the hole is going to be there. Right, going through there. And it's roughly the same height as the other one, so it should sit quite level.
Yeah, as long as you've got enough room to get to do your welding on the inside. And obviously the sill, the front wing's going to be...
That's what I'm saying, the wing doesn't interfere with that, does it?
No.
That's door, isn't it? Because you got your bolt holes there for the door, but I didn't know.
Where's the sill? Front sill. So this will be the sill sitting on.
Yeah, so that's nothing. All that's going to do is just need a hole in that, and that's the job. So that should be alright.
Yeah, perfect.
But yeah, that's fine.
Happy with how it is though?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. So that's those two in, apart from clean up. So clean that up, clean the inside up, and then we'll do some
little bit of fluffing
and some welding, and that's that side done.
Nice.
You've done the rear plate, so we just need one more doing for that, so we can get this side buttoned up, and then we'll move the whole car over. Carry on again.
Lovely.
Right, so that was the first one. This is the second one. But yeah, she's all good, apart from we've had a catastrophe with the jack and it doesn't want to come out. So, well, this is it. All done. Right, so that's it. All done. So, all four are done. So, yeah, getting on now. It's getting dark, getting late. I'm tired. But yeah, so if you liked it, like and subscribe and see what happens next time. There is another project coming once I get the Beetle done. And, but the Beetle's only just going to be a quick rough, just faff about with it, get it up and running. And it's almost there. I've had to order some more parts for it. And now we've done this as a little evening project. So yeah, good. So I'll see you next time.